Hey everyone, it's Rebecca from the Home Solutions channel, and we're back with part 2 of talking to Southwest Exteriors sales leader Ryan Houchin all about warranties. So let's get back into it. Okay, so whether I'm looking to purchase a new product or I've already had something in my home for a while and something breaks, or what if something breaks, what do I need to look at in the warranty to know, like, how do I file a claim? That's an important thing.
That can be a nightmare. And you go online and read about warranties and you'll see the internet is just littered with people that have had just absolutely miserable experiences with quote unquote lifetime warranties. So again, when it comes to, the company you're selecting, there's companies that give a white glove approach. You don't register your warranty, which can be a process. You don't do anything with the transferability except say, hey, I got to change my warranty to XYZ person. And then when it comes to a claim, they handle all of that for you. Because that's the one of two things that's going to happen is you're going to get a company that gives you that white glove approach, okay? Which we happen to do, or you're gonna have to be the person that deals with that and is gonna be calling 1-800 and 188 numbers from here to eternity, trying to get your warranty facilitated. That's an important thing to understand. It's a great question to ask as a savvy consumer is, what the heck do I do if I need help? Are y'all gonna do, is the company going to facilitate my warranty and just I sit back and wait for somebody to show up to fix my problem? Or am I the one that's gonna be on the phone for the next 3 weeks calling 1-800 and 188 numbers trying to get somebody out to my house? So it can be a nightmare, but there are companies out there that do a white glove, that have a white glove approach where you don't have to do anything but call the company that you worked with, and that entire process is facilitated inside the four walls of the company, not through you. And then literally you just wait for the problem to be fixed.
So once I know how to file a claim and whether I have to handle that or the company I worked with is going to help me with that, I want to know what's going to happen, right? What are some things about the after process that I need to know?
Having a company with the wherewithal, they have the experience, they have the relationship with the manufacturer of whatever XYZ product it is you bought, they're gonna know the dialogue, they're gonna know how to speak, they're gonna know what is and what isn't included, right? So they're gonna be able to facilitate that much better than you can, not knowing any of that information, as you shouldn't. You shouldn't be expected to do that. That's why you hired a company to help you, right? Because you didn't want to be that person.
And you want to know, are they going to replace the product that's broken? Am I going to get a refund? Things like that.
Yeah, all those questions are up to you to ask. And generally people don't know to ask that. They say, I have a problem that, I need to fix. Mm-hmm. And okay, we'll come out and fix it and, call us back in 3 months and we'll get you on the schedule, or we'll call you, and that never happens. You're not going to know to ask those questions as a consumer, nor should you have to. Mm-hmm. But it can be incredibly difficult to navigate all the steps of filing a claim, understanding what's going to be covered, what's not, understanding the process, understanding who the heck's going to come out and do that. Because in a lot of cases, it won't be the company that helped you on the front end. So then here's another new contractor showing up in your life, and most people that's not an enjoyable thing for, especially if it's some guy you've never met before.
Awesome. So we've broken down a lot of parts of a warranty. Are there any other conditions in a warranty or read the fine print that is important for me or a homeowner to identify in a product warranty?
Yeah, unfortunately, and as miserable as it sounds, reading that fine print is, that's the whole devil in the details thing, is reading that fine print will tell you the exclusions, inclusions, processes, 1-800 numbers, all that stuff that you may not want to know about, but are important realities of what you're considering, right? So absolutely, knowing that, and that's why I say again, like we talked about earlier, if you're talking to a salesperson about a particular project and they can't furnish a warranty, like a legitimate warranty with words on a page and hopefully a logo of a company that you're working with, if they can't furnish that to you, you don't have any way to read the small print. You are at 100% at the mercy of that company or the mercy of that person that's sitting in your living room, being an authority and giving you all the details you need to know. And if those details aren't given to you, if they can't furnish a copy of the real warranty, again, you're dealing with a very high risk experience.
Well, thank you so much, Ryan, for sitting down and breaking down some warranty parts for me. I feel like if you gave me a warranty right now, I could identify all those parts and I can find what I need to find.
Good. Well, I'm glad it helped.
Now you know all you need to know about the parts of a warranty and what you need to look for in each part. So pull those warranties back out and start searching, and you'll be able to find exactly what you're looking for. And if you missed part 1 of this video, make sure you check the description down below where you'll find a link to part 1 of this conversation. Thanks for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.